Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. In previous class, what we have learned, children? We have learned about the how are the factors leading to the road accidents, how what are the safety rules followed by pedestrians, cyclists, drivers, and everything. Yes, that we have learned in the previous class. In today's class, we will learn about block 25, safety on road, S4, following road safety rules. Why should we follow road safety rules, children? Because we should follow road safety rules, because we should be safe on the road. While driving any vehicle, we should be safe. The road safety rules will guide us to follow the traffic signs, traffic signals, road signs, and everything. Yes, this is about the following safety rules. We have a small story about this, children. A road accident. How has been story about the, means in that, who will follow the safety rules, who are not following the safety rules will see everything, children. Okay, some people will follow the safety rules, but some people will not follow the safety rules, but it will affect the who is following the safety rules also. It will affect. So not only some people, but everyone should follow the safety rules, children. Okay, we have small story, a road accident. Everyone open your reader, children. Block 25, safety on the road. On the main page only we have a story. Okay children, open your reader. Children, everyone open block 25, safety on road. We have a small story, a road accident. Raman had to go to market to buy a few things. He was walking on the footpath when he saw his friend Jayanti on the other side of the road. Jayanti also Jayanti also saw Raman and began to run across the road to meet him. There was a car coming towards her from the other side. The driver was wearing his seat belt and driving carefully. He saw Jayanti and stopped his car just in time to allow her to pass. A cyclist was coming behind the car. He was not wearing a helmet. He too had to stop suddenly, so he lost his balance, fell off his bicycle, and people had to help him to get up. This caused confusion on the road and led to a traffic jam. A traffic policeman had to come and ask people to follow safety rules on the road. This is the Raman and the Jayanti story. In the road, and the Jayanti have saw the Raman, and she was ran on the road. Raman was following the rules for the pedestrians by walking on the pavement. The driver was following road safety by wearing a seat belt. But Jayanti was not following the road safety rules because she was running across the road. The cyclist was also not following the rules, children. Cyclist, he was not wearing the helmet. So in the story, some are following the rules and some are not following the rules. Who are the following the rules? Raman. He was walking on the footpath only. So he is following the safety rule, road safety rule. Jayanti, she was running across to cross the road. So she was following the safety rule? No. And next, who was following the rule? The driver. Driver wearing a seat belt and he is driving carefully. So he is following the road safety rule. Cyclist, he was not following the road safety rule because he is not wearing a helmet. That's why he was fell down. He lost his balance and he fell down. Children, who all need to follow the safety rules, children, on the road? Why it is important? Because the pedestrian, cyclist, and the driver, Raman and the Jayanti, are the pedestrians, and the driver and the cyclist all need to follow. Only some are following and some are not following. That is not good, children. All should follow the safety rules on the road. We need to follow rules to avoid accidents. See, he lost his balance and he fell down. So we have to not happen this accident. To avoid this accidents, we have to follow the safety rules. We need to be careful on the road and follow rules for our own safety and that of others on the road also. See, the driver was following the rule, but the cycle is not, and he lost his balance and he fell down, and some other people have to help him, and these caused a confusion and the traffic has been jammed. Yes, so All should follow the safety rules, then only we can avoid the accidents. If some are following and some are not following, we can't avoid the accidents. All should avoid the all should follow the safety rules to avoid the road accident. Okay, children? Everyone open page number 48. We are doing S4. Write today's date, children. Today's date is 12-2-2021. We are doing S4, following road safety rules. Yes, children. First bit. We'll see the first bit. Give 2 reasons why we need to follow safety rules on the road. Why we should follow the safety rules, children? We have to give the 2 reasons. You have to write on your own, children. You know, just now we read the Raman story also. Yes, some are following the safety rules and some are not following the safety rules. Why we have to follow the safety rules? Let's see the answer, children. We should follow safety rules on the road to avoid causing accidents. We also need to follow them from keeping ourselves and others safe while travel on the road. Okay, children, we should follow the safety rules on the road. First reason is to avoid accidents, and second one is we have to keep ourselves and the other to safe to travel on the road. Yes, children, we'll see the next bit. Second bit. Put a tick for the pictures in which people are following safety rules on the road. Put a cross for the picture in which people are not following the safety rules. See, children, we have the 4 pictures here. You can see the 4 pictures. Yes, in this we have to. Yes, you have seen the 4 pictures. First one will do A1. You can see here road sign. You have to not U-turn. You have to not do the U-turn, but he is doing the U-turn. See, you can see here the circle is there and the cross mark is there. So you have to not do the U-turn, but he is following the safety rule, children? No. B1. See the boy? While the car is coming, he is crossing the road. Yes, right? He is following the safety rules? No. And the C1. C1, you see, they are going on the scooter, but you can see he is not wearing a helmet. It is not safe for him and his family also to not wearing a helmet and riding a scooter. So this is also he is not following the safety rule. And see the D1. Yes, there is the traffic policeman, and he stopped the cars. And the children are crossing in the zebra crossing only. Yes, they are following the road safety rules. Now third one. Yes, children, Raman want to know whether the people in the town are following safety rules while traveling or not. How can he find it out? He want to find it out that in his town all the people are following the safety rules while traveling or not. He want to find it out. How he will find it out? We'll see, children. Okay. Raman can find out from the number of accidents happening in his town. If accidents are less in number, it is like that the number of accidents is more than people in his town. Need to start following safety rules. Raman has to check the number of accidents are happening in his town. First, you have to check the number of accidents are happening in his town. It is less means the more people are in town and they have to follow the rules, the number of accidents should be decreased because they have to start following the safety rules. Okay, children, write down this answer. And you can write your own also. You will find it out number of accidents have happening. You can see the paper, newspaper, the number of accidents have happened. You can aware them about how to follow the safety rules, who are not wearing the seat belt, helmet, crossing the road on footpath only, pedestrians, cyclists should wear the helmet and everything. You can inform them so that they follow the safety rules and we can prevent the road accidents, to avoid the road accidents. Okay children, now everyone open your reader children, turn to page number 157. See this, we have the road signs. Look at the pictures of different road signs to find out what they mean. This is your class activity children. We have finished 2 answers. You have written the answer, and you have done the light children, traffic signs. Yes, we finished. And you have the class activity. Draw this 6 road signs children. Keep the new page, keep the class activity, and write down this heading children. Look at the pictures of the different road sign to find out what they mean, and draw this 6 road signs neatly children, and color it like this only in the red color. Okay, draw it neatly and label it also. Okay, speed breaker, school zone, like that. Okay children, by this we have completed the block 25, means we have completed all the blocks children. From the next class we will start the revision. Okay, thank you.